Hey folks, we are in Yokohama City today and attending another car event. Today's car show is all about camping cars, camping vehicles, RVs, recreational vehicles, right? And as you might have noticed, recently there's a big demand for camping cars or camping trucks. It's probably due to the pandemic because many people started working remotely and didn't have to be in the office, so they started living or camping in their cars. As well as there's a large or a big number of options for freelancing. I guess many people are doing freelance jobs and they are just going into nature with their vehicles. I guess today's cars being exhibited are categorized in a few classes. We have light camping cars, like K cars, as well as vans, van convertibles, and cab convertibles, which has a separate cabin for the driver. Of course, the bus and the full convertibles, which is longer, more space, as well as has tons of features. And plus, what else? The trailers. Camping trailers are available during this car show. My today's favorite from the show is this small mini truck style camping car. It has a name called Mini Pop B. And it's based on the Toyota Pixis truck, mini truck, which is a 660cc engine, two-wheel drive, generating 53 horsepower. And it has a cool pop-up roof on the top. And you also see the shade. There's a shade and a popping up table on the lower side. I think those are some cool features it has. Of course, it has tons of other things inside the room itself. It can afford up to 4 people. I think 2 people will sleep in this top, the pop-up rooftop, and 2 more people here. The current selling price of this Mini Pop B is 4.3 million Japanese yen. Anyway, let's go around and see what types of vehicles are being exhibited in this show today.
It's a sunny day, we got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay. It's a sunny day, we got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay. Hot sun, the rain's gone, we gonna have a lot of fun. All our sorrows are gone, a smiling face for everyone. Life can be so beautiful when you stop to judge and you'll just be free. It's a sunny day, we got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay. It's a sunny day, we got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay. It's a sunny day, we got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay. It's a sunny day, we got some time to stay. Hey, 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 and everything's okay. Hot sun, the rain's gone, we gonna have a lot of fun. All our sorrows are gone, a smiling face for everyone. Life can be so beautiful when you stop to judge and you'll just be free.
I assume Toyota HiAce is the most popular car model in this today's event, because I see dozens of Toyota HiAces all around. They're all converted into camping cars. Maybe they are the easiest or most practical ones to convert into camping vehicles. Regular Toyota HiAces like Toyota HiAce Long Bays or Grandace units are all converted into the camping vehicles. Behind me you see Honda N-Vans. They are the light cars or K cars, which have around the 660-liter gasoline engine. They are converted into camping vans or light camping cars, which can accommodate up to 4 people. It's recommended for 4 people or like 1 or 2 people with their pets. These N-Vans are being sold at around 5 million Japanese yen. You could buy the brand new one from the Honda store at around 1.6 million yen. So when you convert it into camping car, the price has tripled. Here we have some camping cars from Fiat. These are called fullcon in Japanese. Maybe it's fully convertible or full option, full feature camping cars. They have almost every single option that you wish for in the in the camping car. And they are priced over 10 million Japanese yen. Of course, the price is increasing depending on the advanced features.